Okay guys, today we got a 2013 Dodge Avenger, and the thing we're having with this car is the heater blend door. Only one side does cold, and the other side, whenever they try to put it on hot, it won't go hot, it just stays cold. So we're gonna change out the blend door. We still got to pick that one up at 3:30, but we are going to change this switch right here, which is the signal light switch, because it kind of stays stuck and it's a little messed up. And she says that when she puts the signal light on, her lights will dim and stuff like that. So it sounds like it's shorting out. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that, and we're gonna show you how to do that. Then yeah, so let's get started. All right guys, so first thing you want to do is you want to lift up the steering wheel as much as you can, and then if you look right here on the bottom, there will be a Torx bit in there and another Torx bit in there. You really can't see it, but you get a Torx 15 T15, and that will help you get these bolts out. I already got one of them out. I'm gonna get the next one out, and then down here there's a third one, so make sure you get that one. Okay guys, once you have all the bolts removed and all that, you want to pull down on this lever. Once you get it down, you just snap this open. See that? Snapped open. Get this down as much as you can, and then as you can see, here's some of the bolts right there. And then we're gonna pop this top piece off. Pull down the steering wheel as much as you can. Remember, pull the lever down, pull the steering wheel as much as you can. You can leave this piece right here. Then the top piece, we pop it off. As you can see, there we go. Now there's gonna be a bolt right here. That's only to hold it. The rest of it will slide out, but there is a connector back here, if you can see. So you got to make sure you get that connector. Then there's a connector right here in the front, pull out connector, and they're all the simple way. You just put a screwdriver right here, pop the clip and pop it out. Push down on the clip, that little clip right there. Let me get you a screwdriver so you can see a little bit better. Alright guys, so I already got the first one out. As you can see, it's already removed. And then I got this thing right here, this little pick. It's gonna be easier for me to get the back one. Lift this cover up. Oh, look, you know what? Let me zoom this thing in. I forgot it. See, there's a connector right there. So I'm gonna use this pick. Go right there. Push down on it. When I push down, I'm gonna push it out. See how that connector came out? Sorry about that, I didn't get the whole thing, but it came out. So everything's out now. Now let's take it off from the side. Then you use a Phillips screwdriver. And you get this one out on the side right here. Once we get that out, you should be able just to pull on it this way, and just like that it came out. Now see guys, it went in like this, and it has a slot right here where it can slide back in. So this one does come with fog lights. Usually they'll ask if it has fog lights, if it don't have fog lights. This one does, and you'll see right here on the switches and all that, cruise control on there too. And we got the same one. Make sure that everything's the same. If y'all need the part number on this one is SW8481. So let's go ahead and put this new one back in. So we'll go ahead and slide this sucker back in. Make sure y'all get it lined up correctly. Move the wires out of the way. Do the slot again. Come closer so you can see the slot. Look, if you see, it slides in right here. Here's a slot, and here's where it slides in at. So you line it up, and then it slides in there. It should slide in on the back too. Make sure you got it correct. Flush, correct, straight. And there you go. So you want to get this one in before you go too far in. Pull out a little bit. Get this connector in there, because it is a little tight. Got that one popped in. push it in the rest of the way. Then you get the back one. Slide it back in. Make sure you hear the click. Once you hear the click, it's good. So there's that. Put your bolt back in. Switch in place. Then you're just gonna bring everything back up the way it was. Same procedure. Make sure everything's right. Popping it back together. Once you get all that popped back together, make sure everything's lined up as it should be. You get back up with it. Close this. It locks back in place. Then start putting your bolts all back in. All right, guys. I lied to y'all. It was a Torx 20. But the 15 will work too, but it was still a Torx 20, so if y'all don't want to strip it out, go ahead and get a Torx 20. But yeah, so we're going to continue to put these bolts back in. I already got most of them in. We're going to put this last one. Now, let's turn it on and give it a try. Did y'all hear that noise? That was a trap door. We're gonna fix that too. So let's see. What does it smell like? Nice. Nice. Everything's good. Signal lights are working. The bright's working? The bright lights? Hold on. Bright lights are working. Signal lights are working. So, let's see. Everything looks good. It don't look like it's dimming to me anymore or anything. So, guys, if y'all enjoyed this video, hit that like and subscribe button. And we will be back with y'all for some more content.